Today everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in my video, how to check a capacitor with analog multimeter. Select the ohms scale this way. Next we need to discharge the capacitor. If a big capacitor discharge across a filament bulb, the reason for that because the multimeter could be harmed. So let's take a capacitor. You look like neat pointer goes on and returns back. Let's take another one. Check out the analog multimeter again. You look like neat pointer goes on and returns back. So good capacitor this way. So defective capacitor may be like this. One is the needle pointer not returning back. The next one is needle pointer goes back and stop middle. One is the needle pointer came to the center, move back again. So this way is check from the analog multimeter. So we meet again next video. Thank you all my friend.